Come with me as we'll be going out to a test drive. Welcome to ENPS Media Car Show. Like we promised you, we are back again with another content. For those of you who have not subscribed or liked, make sure you click the subscribe button so that you stay up to date with all our content coming in. Today we have the Porsche Cayenne 2020 model in white metallic and silver metallic. We also have the Cayenne GTS Coupe 2021 model with the red interior and the brown interior. So come with me while I'll show you some of the features of this car. Welcome to the Porsche Cayenne S. The Porsche Cayenne S is a luxury SUV. For those of you who like luxury and those of you who like SUVs, this one is a perfect fit for you, the perfect car for you. As we'll be looking at the interior, you'll see that it can accommodate a family of 5 persons, which is really nice because you have luxury, you have space, you have comfort all in one car. Talking about the performance of this car, the Porsche Cayenne S is a luxury SUV that was first introduced in 2019, and this 2020 model is powered by a 2.6 liter V6 engine. For those of you who are car lovers, you know what a V6 engine is. It produces about 434 horsepower. That's really powerful. So this car is built for on and off-road experience. And it also comes with automatic transmission with all-wheel drive. Some of you call it 4-wheel drive. Yeah, it's the same thing. The Porsche Cayenne S comes with a standard 14-speaker Porsche sound system, and it also has a 12.3-inch touchscreen display. The car also features a panoramic sunroof, for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content coming your way. Luxury cars, luxury houses. This is ENPS Media signing out.